Hi everyone, welcome back to my morning report. Chart appraisals on Thursday the 30th of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tantac Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now, and despite the fact that we had such a significant amount of dollar selling pressure yesterday, the dollar yen range continues to remain intact. 118.30 has held, and it's not even really been tested yet. Even overnight, sort of 118.50 you would argue, which was that reaction low there on the 20th. Sort of remained intact even then, and the reason is that we've had the FOMC and the Bank of Japan as well, both coming out, and we had just significant, large amount of volatility in these markets. That was the spike high that we had on the dollar yen after the FOMC. The decline on dollar yen yesterday was due to the GDP data. Then we had a rally on dollar yen after the FOMC. Today we've had volatility around because of the BOJ overnight. Bank of Japan came out, held flat on monetary policy, no change. Dollar yen started to strengthen, and then the spike higher came as the press conference suggested that the projections for the Japanese economy would be inflation just cutting a little bit lower, and growth also a little bit lower, so hence the dollar strength. So all in all, we're still trading around the bottom end of this trading range, and 118.30 is the bottom of that range, and you're also below that 119.40, which is that pivot level. Again, that pivot level pretty much held very well yesterday. 119.36 was the high, so you'd still say that pivot level was remaining intact. And yes, it's all pretty much sort of, you could argue, sort of squeezing down towards the bottom end of this pivot of this trading range now, and it's still possible to play the RSI in this environment. I mean, you've had the sell signal came yesterday as the RSI got above 70, and again that fell over. I think back towards 30 you could argue buying it, because I think that at the moment we're still in this environment where the dollar yen is trading in this broad range over the past month or so, and I think that there's no real sign yet that we're breaking the bottom of that range. Although there is a slight bearish bias, I still think there's no real sign that we're going to break through the lows of the range. So continue to play the range. Continue to look at that pivot level around 119.40, because that is playing in in play still as a big indicator near term, and I would just continue to play the range until otherwise that seems to be the case. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.